Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we made up this incredibly delicious yet simple garlic butter shrimp pasta. Simple combination, you can do it in about 20 minutes. You're gonna love it. No sauce required, and let's get started. Okay, to kick things off here, what I've got is a pot of boiling salted water, and I'm going to add in a cup of penne pasta and cook this according to package instructions, but you want it until it's al dente, so it should take about 10 minutes. Okay, now our pasta is cooked. I'm just going to go ahead and drain this and set it aside. Next up, I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of butter to a preheated pan, and this is over medium-high heat. Of course, we're going to go ahead and let this melt down. Now add in 5 cloves of chopped garlic, and I'm just going to cook this for a couple of minutes until it's fragrant. I just love the smell of garlic. Okay, now it's fragrant. Now wonderful aroma has filled the air. I'm going to add in, I'd say about 20 shrimp. Now I'm just going to cook these for 2 or 3 minutes because they're already pre-cooked. It's time to add our seasoning, and I'm going to start with some salt and pepper, some oregano, and this is just a dried, but you can use fresh if you like, parsley, and this is freshly chopped. This smells so good. And a pinch of pepper flakes, just to give it some heat. About 15 cherry tomatoes. And of course we're going to give this a stir. And I should add, you want to cook this just until the tomatoes are a little bit on the soft side. Now we're going to stir in our cooked penne pasta. Of course, stirring once again. And you want this just until it's heated up. So I'm just going to kill the heat, and it smells so good, and we're just going to go ahead and plate this up. All right, I'm going to garnish this up with some Parmesan. And a little bit more of my fresh parsley. Doesn't this look incredible? Wow. And there you have it, guys, our garlic butter shrimp pasta. So good. Okay, let's do a taste test here. So good. Love the tomatoes. Love the pasta. The shrimp is so good. You gotta make this for sure. I need more. So for this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. And see you next time.